probably sounds a little bit funny, but I've too much blending and too much music in my life. I feel like I'm multitasking too much. I'm listening to too much stimulation between like being a full-time daddy with my kids, and even when I'm driving, like just my attention's being drawn different places too many times, and I feel time is also like very busy. So I gravitate towards simple foods like fruits, nuts, greens, wild greens, like soft, tender, leafy greens, but much more just fruits, and second of all nuts, and third of all the leaves. I like to just keep things simple and fast, so it's not like loads of preparation, loads of time and prep and cleaning. Just like to keep things like the way nature and animals are, all raw living food. No, like not even like culturizing or like fermenting or like making yogurts or recipes. None of that. I prefer to keep it simple and fast and sweet.